My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here, don't forget to hit subscribe below so that you are updated every time that I come out with a new video. You don't want to miss it. Today, we're going to get to the star of the show. My baby Riri has come out with yet another collection, which is amazing and popping and gorgeous and glamorous and all that good stuff. The Beach Please collection is everything that we need. I was a little nervous when I first saw the photos of this, and I'm like, I'm a brown girl, and I'm not sure if some of those lip glosses are going to show up on me. That one color right there is a little too light. You're supposed to use it as a highlight? No. But it worked out pretty good. I was not able to buy everything in the collection because, you know, I'm just gonna be honest, I just couldn't afford it. And also another disclaimer, I did put a little bit of gold all over, you know, to make me shine a little bit, but it ain't body lava because I sister couldn't afford that either. I'm just using some gold glitter that somebody gave me in a parking lot one time. Okay, I'm just telling the truth. It is what it is. So today I am reviewing this collection. I was able to pick up the Trio Lip Collection, which was in Summer Days. Also, I was able to buy 2 of the Duo Killawatt Foil Highlighters. I was able to get the Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset, as well as the 7-Day Weekend and Poolside Duo as well. The last thing that I got was the 2-in-1 liquid eye shimmer, and I got this in Island Bling. So these are the swatches. The swatches are pretty dope on brown skin, and I am here for the drama, Ree. I'm here for it. If you want to see how I got this look, and you want to see the swatches of the lipsticks, the highlighter, all that good stuff, go ahead and keep watching, and I'll see y'all at the end. I decided to do a look that is more practical. I feel like this collection is really colorful and it's pretty, but it's more like put your finger in it, put it on your eye, go to the beach, which is cool. But for this one, I did want to do a look that is kind of more put together, kind of more, I can use this collection for everyday or everyday looks as well, besides kind of what it's meant for. So that's what we're gonna do. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my eye with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in Fawn. And then I'm gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. And then today I'm only going to be using 2 other colors that are not in this collection. I am going to use my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to use Raw Sienna to create my transition. So after that, I'm going to go back into this palette. I'm going to use the color Love Letter, and I'm going to put that right in the corners of my eyes. And because I want a lot of pigmentation there, or, you know, a relative amount, I'm going to stamp it and then I'm going to blend it in. Then with this look, I am going to create a cut crease. So I'm going to go back into my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to create my cut crease. And then from there, I am going to start with my color. I am going to go into the Killawatt Foil, and the color I'm going to be using is 7-Day Weekend. And that's this purplish shade right here. And I'm going to press that on my lid, like from my tear duct till about a third of the way through my lid. And this color does okay with a wet brush. I'm actually kind of surprised that it's not doing that great with a wet brush, but you know, it'll work, you know, it'll work, Rihanna. So then from there, I'm going to use the other Killawatt Foil palette, and I'm going to use, or Duo, and I'm going to use the color Sangria Sunset. And I'm going to place that on the outer corner of my eye. So in the corner, I'm going to go back into my Modern Renaissance palette with Love Letter, and I'm just going to blot that on the edge of the Sangria Sunset color, just to make sure we got the pigment that we need and that it blends, because I don't really want it to be really defined. And then to bring a little bit more dimension into that, I am going to be using from the collection the liquid eye shimmer, and I'm going to go into Island Bling, and I'm going to use this color right here. So I'm going to put this on my lid but close to my tear duct. And then after I apply it, I'm going to go ahead and use a small brush just to blend it into the 7-Day Weekend color. So I'm going to put on my liner, then I'm going to apply my lashes, and then I'm also going to wipe that shadow off so I can create a very clean line. Okay, so for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and finish my face off camera so we can get to the under eye and all the other products. But, you know, just to let y'all know, I am going to be using my Fenty Beauty Foundation because, you know, we're just going to keep this real Rihanna today. Real Rihanna. It's only right. And I'll be right back. So my skin is done. If you do want to know any of the products that I use, I do always leave it down in the description box, whether I do it on camera or if I don't. So make sure y'all check that out if you do want to know what I use for my face. So for my under eye, I do want to bring in more color, and this is quickly becoming my favorite product of the collection. So I'm gonna go into Mimosa Sunrise, and I'm gonna put that on my bottom lash line. Okay, so this is rather light for a lower lid color for someone my complexion. Just me? I'm just saying. So we're gonna get rid of this on the edges, and I'm gonna go into Poolside, and I'm gonna put that there instead. Okay, that purple is better. That's a whole lot better, honey, because I was about to say. So I'm not gonna lie, I do like the Mimosa Sunrise color, and you know, it don't hurt that both of the colors on this duo are named after drinks. What do you do during the summertime? We drink, right? That's dope. However, on my complexion, I don't like it at the bottom like that, so I am gonna go ahead and cover that up with 7-Day Weekend on like close to my tear ducts. And I am gonna go ahead and line my waterline with some gel liner because I do want those colors to pop, and I feel like that's gonna give me the pop that I need. And then I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara on my bottom lashes. And that is really colorful and I like it. I have a confession to make. This is definitely gonna be my first time using any type of colored highlight. I'm a little nervous. I just gotta be honest, I'm nervous. But we're gonna try it for Riri. We're gonna try it just for Riri because we love her, right? Let's hope this don't go all the way south. I'm just saying. I kind of want to do my own highlight first and then go over it with that, just to be on the safe side. But for the sake of the review, I am just gonna go ahead with one of the colors. And if I need some of my normal goldish highlight, then that's what we're gonna do because I need to feel comfortable, right? Right? I think I want a little bit of a pink highlight. So I think I'm gonna go ahead with Sangria Sunset, and very lightly, I'm gonna put that on my cheekbone. That's not bad. Okay, maybe I have to dip into that just a little bit more, you know? Let's not get carried away. That's pretty. It's different, but it's pretty. So let's put a dab of this down the nose, on the cubic expo, all that good stuff. Let's see how we feel about this. It's pink, y'all. Oh, this is so out of my comfort zone. I'm definitely gonna have to add some of my gold on top of this because I don't know about having a pink highlighted nose. Oh, I am gonna add some of my ShaylaxColourpop highlighter. This is a loose highlighter, and this is in the color Pose. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on, you know, just to bring me back to my comfort level a little bit. Okay, it's turn and go. That's what we need. Needed to turn gold. Needed to turn gold. Okay, I like the mix of this. I like that. I like how that looks. Oh yeah, I was getting nervous for a second. I was getting real nervous. All right, so I'm gonna be completely honest. I like the color highlight. I like it. It's just out of my comfort zone. It's like really out of my comfort zone. So it's cute. It's real cute, but I just had to mix it a little bit, but it worked out. You know, you can still see hints of pink. Okay, maybe we should add a little more. Sorry, Rihanna girl. I'm just nervous. Okay, that good, Ree? That's better. I do want y'all to really see how this looks. So I'm gonna stop being a punk. So it's time to get into the lip glosses, which I'm excited about. I'm gonna go ahead and do the swatches of all three of the ones that I purchased. And you know, let's see which one we go for. I did go with the gloss that matches closely to the eye colors that I chose today. One thing I would say though, this is the only one to me that had like, it made like created a line like at the top and the bottom, which was annoying when I first put it on, but you know, just rub it with your finger a little bit and it's not so bad. And surprisingly, the colors look really good on darker skin complexions. I like that. Not too crazy about how this one looks, but it's probably a really pretty topper for a different color, and we shall try that in the future. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get my glow on a little bit, you know, get my little Fenty Beauty glow dupe going on, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so this is the finished look. I will be completely honest, I am here for the Beach Please collection. I'm just saying, it's real Rihanna, it's real bold, it's real colorful, and that is all that is me. And she is all that is me, and I am all that is her. I'm just saying. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, comment below if you want to, and subscribe below if you have not yet. And I will see y'all in my next upload. Bye. Ooh. That looked like it was a lot. Let's just dust that off a little bit. Blend it in, blend it in. Oh Lord, this wig, y'all. Drama. Put a little bit more of this right here. Oh, oh, that bomb. You can see it popping.